check it out. Of course we got Tom. This is going to be the cooler air conditioner. So this is just the beginning wiring. So I wired the drill battery that has the on-off switch up to this potentiometer, the motor governor or whatever you call it, that's going to regulate from 0 to 100 fan speed. So, and it's hooked up to my Makita batteries. So 0 to 100. Boop. How cool is that? How freaking cool is that? And then it's gonna have this thing goes here, and underneath this, stop Tom, underneath this has a little radiator about the same size, and then underneath has this little pump.
Tom.
Underneath has this pump that goes into the ice water, and it pumps the ice water up through a hose into the little radiator. And then there's going to be a fan here that pulls the air from a duct over here, pulls the air through here into the radiator, out the fan through this right here. So this will be mounted like this onto the fan, and then you can direct it where you want it to go. You can put it on you, and it's going to be powerful too. Ow. It's going to be powerful. So, but you'll still be able to put drinks in it and all that good stuff. So it doesn't melt the ice. It just uses the ice water underneath. And then for right now, these are the electronics, and the electronics are in here. So then I'll be able to repack it and reseal it. So I'm not cutting this off. That way it still looks like a regular cooler underneath. What do you think, babe?
It's awesome. Looks great.
Bam. How satisfying is that?